Can Samsung Smart TV record programs? Yes, Samsung Smart TVs can record programs, but this feature depends on the TV model and region. Samsung TVs with PVR, personal video recorder, or time shift functionality allow users to record live TV onto a USB storage device. However, this feature is only available on models with a built-in digital tuner and may require activation through Samsung Smart Hub settings. 1. How to record programs on a Samsung Smart TV. Step 1. Plug a USB storage device, HDD or flash drive, into the TV's USB port. Step 2. Press the guide button on the remote to open the TV's electronic program guide, EPG. Step 3. Select the program you want to record and press the record asterisk button on the remote. Step 4. Choose between instant recording, recording starts immediately, or scheduled recording, set a future time. Step 5. The recorded file will be saved to the USB device, and you can access it from Recorded TV in the menu. 2. Requirements for recording on a Samsung Smart TV. A USB hard drive or flash drive, at least 32 GB recommended. A Samsung Smart TV with PVR or time shift support. A digital tuner and a connected TV antenna or cable source. Sufficient free storage on the USB device. 3. Using time shift to pause and rewind live TV. Samsung Smart TVs also support time shift, which allows users to pause, rewind, or fast-forward live TV. Step 1. Connect a USB storage device and press the pause button while watching live TV. Step 2. The TV will start buffering the broadcast, allowing you to resume from where you left off. Step 3. Press play to continue watching or use rewind fast-forward to navigate. 4th. Limitations of recording on Samsung Smart TV. DRM-protected channels, such as streaming services, cannot be recorded. Recorded content is locked to the TV and cannot be played on other devices. USB storage must be formatted by the TV, erasing all previous data. Recording may not be available in all countries or on all Samsung models. Samsung Smart TVs can record programs using a USB storage device, but only if the TV supports PVR or time shift features. By using a compatible USB drive and following the correct setup, users can easily record, pause, and rewind live TV for convenient viewing.